Hi lovely, welcome back to my channel. This is Dotmark Stitches. In today's video we are going to learn how to cut and sew a shirt with an elastic. So if you are interested in this video, let's watch it to the end. So this is the fabric I'm going to use. This one has a fabric. Now the first thing to do, I'm going to open it and fold it into two. So now this is the starting point. So I'm going to mark the starting point. Because it's going to be an elastic, I will mark 2.5 and half downward for the elastic. So after that, from that side, I'm going to mark the hip measurement, which is 9 inches. Actually, it's depending on the height. You can make it to be 9 or 8. So now mine is 9 inches. So from this hip line, I'm going to underline. Then after this, I'm going to place the tape to mark from the waistline to the length, which is 20. Then I will add 2 inches for folding allowance for the down part. So once I have done with this, so the next thing, I'm going to place the tape to the hip line to measure to get my crotch. So I'm going to, with whatever you get from this hip, you are going to divide it by 4. So now, first thing, I'm going to make a straight line from the hip to the waistline upward. Then after that, I will now divide the hip measurement by 4 to get my crotch line. So the hip is 40 inches divided by 4. So that's 10 inches. Then you divide your 10 by 4 also. So I'm going to have 2.5 here. So I will extend this 2.5 downward to the crotch. So this is the crotch line. Now I'm going to connect a straight line here. So after this, from this hip line, I'm going to mark the crotch line. I will connect it like this. Just watch me the way I'm doing it. So the next thing, I'm going to mark my tie. So you divide your tie by 2, whatever you have. So this is 10 inches. I'm going to mark it downward. After dividing your tie by 2, whatever you get, just place it. Then I'm going to cut it out from this side. So I cut the waistline also. So it's not having that because it's an elastic shirt. So the next thing to do, you open this side, you know it's unfold. Then I'm going to place this front piece now to the back piece. So this is the front piece. So just fold your back also into 2 like this. Then the next thing to do, I'll be marking 2.5 inches for this front part here. 2 inches down, 2.5 inches downward. Then I'm going to make a straight line here. So once we have done this, the next thing to do, just place the front at the back. So this is the front part. Just place it directly like this. Then I'm going to trace this line. I'm going to trace it down exactly the way the front is. So just trace it like this with your chalk. So now the next thing, I'm going to cut it out. So it cut the waist also. Then after this, the next thing to do, I'm going to open the side. You know it's unfold. So by the time you shift this side now, so this is your 2.5 at the back here. So this is the front and the back now. So the next time I'm going to open that back side like this. So this is it. It's now 4 pieces now. So the next thing to do, you are going to hold this with an half inches. So just hold the front like that and also hold the back with half an inch. So this cross line. So this is the front and this is the back now. So I'm going to place the front at the back. Just place it directly like this. Then you drag this side to this place and hold it with half an inch downward. So you do the same thing to the other side, directly like this. So after that, so this is it. Then the down side there, just use pin to pin this side. Then take it to the machine again and hold from this side here with half an inch, so downward like this. So guys, the next thing is almost done. Then we are going to hold the down side. You know, we have allowance from the down side, so just stitch it directly like this. And also for the upper side here, just fold it. Then make sure you leave just a little space for the center here where you are going to insert your rubber. So just stitch it like that. So this is the elastic. This 1.5 elastic sew rubber. So I'm going to just insert it directly like this with my safety pin. So just insert it and make sure you close this side, then pull it inside and stitch it. So if you watch it to this end, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.